Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update VMware Workstation Player on Windows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating VMware Workstation Player on Windows, first, ensure you have administrator privileges. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official VMware website. Look for the Downloads section on the website. In the Downloads section, locate VMware Workstation Player. Click on the link to access the latest version available. Once on the download page, review the release notes to understand the improvements and fixes. Choose the appropriate version for your Windows operating system. After making your selection, click the Download button. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded installer file for VMware Workstation Player. Double-click on the installer file to initiate the update process. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow changes. The VMware Workstation Player Setup Wizard will now open. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Setup Wizard. Accept the license agreement to proceed with the installation. Choose your preferred installation options based on your needs. Click Next to continue through the setup process. If prompted, select whether to check for product updates automatically. Once you reach the final step, click Install to begin the update. The installation process will take a few moments to complete. After the installation is finished, you will see a completion screen. Click Finish to exit the Setup Wizard. Finally, launch VMware Workstation Player to confirm the update was successful. You can verify the version by navigating to Help and then About VMware Workstation Player. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.